What's up, y'all? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Z. That is me. That is me. I gotta work with gloves today. Very seldom do I do a recipe that I gotta work with gloves. Well, I'm about to make some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Look at my Scotch bonnet peppers. So my brother picked me some Scotch bonnet peppers off of my pepper bush. These are very hot, y'all. This is what the Jamaicans make jerk chicken with, jerk pork, and the Trinidad, and anybody that use jerk or do Jamaican recipes, they always use these babies right here. So these are Scotch bonnet peppers. They're first cousin to the habanero, so they're like a habanero pepper, but the taste is different. Scotch bonnet is more fruity, floral, kind of like. So I'm going to have to work with gloves, de-stem them. We're going to have to cook them down with onion and garlic and ginger and bell pepper and all that other good stuff. So, let me not hold y'all up. Let's make some Scotch bonnet hot sauce. Be right. This is what I'm going to use to make my Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. This is 2 pounds of Scotch bonnet peppers. They should be green, brown, and yellow. Okay, so 2 pounds of Scotch bonnet peppers. What this is right here, garlic. You will need 2 heads of garlic. You're gonna need some red onions. That's 2 medium to lower size red onions. Cilantro. You're gonna need a half a bunch of cilantro. What else I got? Plum tomatoes. I got some plum tomatoes right here. I gotta wash them off, and I might peel them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 plum tomatoes right there. Okay. Then I'm about to make the real thing, baby. I'm gonna use 1 green bell pepper. I've got some ginger somewhere. Here goes some ginger. That's a half a pound of ginger. So 8 ounces, yeah. What else I got? Oh, gonna need some oregano, some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper. Okay. Y'all see how I got everything lined up? Let's see, I have everything. And you're going to need some vinegar and some vegetable oil. All right, let me cut all this stuff up right quick. All right, first the Scotch bonnet peppers. You want to take them. I have on my gloves. And you want to cut them in half. Cut them in half. Throw them in this bowl over there. Okay. Got all my Scotch bonnets cut in half. Now, let's cut this bell pepper. All right, got the bell pepper in there. Let's chop up the ginger. All right, got the ginger in there. Now, let's chop the garlic. And we just pretty much got this rough chop because we got to saute this down. So we're just doing a rough chop. All this going to be sauteed down, then blended. Let's do the cilantro. Just take that cilantro and roll it up like you're rolling up a cigar. Like that. And we just kind of cut it like that. Alright, let's chop our onion. I like to just go down. That's 1/2. I like to cut it in 1/4 like that. Take my knife and slice, 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 slice. And turn it like this and chop. 1/4 of our chopped onion. Let me chop the others. Lastly, let's chop up the tomatoes. I was going to peel them, but it's hard to peel tomatoes. So let's go chop them. Like I said, it got to be blended anyway. So there we go. And that'll be it. After this, we'll saute them in the pot. Get your Dutch oven. Actually, this is my Magnolite pot. This is my Magnolite pot. I had said vegetable oil, but I'm going to do olive oil. So let's put about 1/4 cup of olive oil. We about to saute this stuff down. Okay, let me see. That's about 1/4 cup. All right, got the olive oil heated up. Let's put all these vegetables down. Hope I got a big enough pot. All right. So we're going to saute all this down so this get good and soft. And I'll let you know how long it took. Also, let's put in 2½ tablespoons of dry oregano. Let's go and throw that in there while it's sauteing down. Okay. All right, as y'all see, look, everything that's sauteed down, they got real soft. We can go ahead and turn it off and let it cool. Then we're gonna take it and put it in the blender and puree it. We're gonna turn it off. Then we'll season it up with some salt, pepper, a little fresh squeezed orange juice, and some sugar. All right. Next, you're gonna see me blend this up, return it back to the pot, and we're gonna let it simmer. Add some water and cornstarch to thicken it up. All right. All right, I'm about to blend. I'm over here on the left-hand side. You can see I'm about to blend some of this mixture and add it back to the pot. So I'm about to puree it. So this is our first. This is gonna be our first batch. Okay, so we're gonna pour it back in the pot. All right. There we go. And let's do the next batch. Y'all see what it's looked like so far? Now, let's season this up. First, let's add in 1 cup of white vinegar. Okay. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. What this is right here? This is sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using organic sugar. And let's start off with 2 tablespoons of pink Himalayan salt. Okay. And I'm about to squeeze. Let me cut my orange. These oranges don't have any seeds in it. I'm going to squeeze. Yeah, I taste this so earlier. This is so hot. So let's squeeze some citrus in there. So we're gonna squeeze the juice of 1 orange. You know, usually we do lemon with this, but let's change it up with some fresh orange. Okay, we're gonna let this come to a boil. And we're gonna add a little honey and cornstarch no, not honey. We're gonna do a little water and cornstarch if we need to thicken it up. Damn, all right, so We're gonna let this simmer for about, we'll let it come to a boil, then we're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Put the top on. Yeah. Okay. I ain't gonna be doing too much tasting because this stuff is hot. Right, let's add 1 cup of water. I'm about to put the top on it, and I'm about to let this simmer for about, I'm gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Y'all, the sauce is ready. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. See the consistency? So I didn't have to use any cornstarch. And just the consistency you want. So it can cool down. Let's put it in jars. Got 1/2 pint jars. I got my 1/2 cup thing here. It's gonna go like that, and I'll clean them up later. Let's see how much more I need in here. This stuff is hot, y'all. I'll give y'all a taste test after a while. Then again, I may not. Just too hot for a taste test. I'm gonna give y'all a taste test. All right. What's up, y'all? Y'all seen the procedure for making that Scotch bonnet sauce? Hot sauce. And it's a Scotch bonnet sauce. It is hot. I got my water right here. Because y'all know I give y'all a taste test whenever I make. Y'all never see me make something I don't taste it. Okay? I think a cook should taste their food after they make it. So this is the Scotch bonnet hot sauce. See the consistency? It's not too stiff. It's not too loose. It's right there in between. Okay, so I'm going to taste this, y'all. Put some on the spoon. I ain't going to be a wimp. Very good. Now the damn heat, just that fast, is hitting me. Whew. You taste the garlic. You taste the ginger. Of course, the Scotch bonnet. I'm feeling so in this because I start sweating real fast. But it's an afterburn. It's Scotch bonnet peppers. That's what they do. Ooh, my tongue on fire. So y'all see me make it. You actually can do any pepper like that if you're growing peppers. You can follow what I did to make it. Y'all have a good one. Make this if y'all want to. I'm going to keep 1 jar, so when I do jerk stuff, I'm about to give the rest of the stuff away. Bye, y'all. Have a good one.